Hi Graylin, this is Sarah reaching out to you from Top Marketing Co. I want to reach out to you and send you these 3 quick tips you can start using today to outrank your competition in the area. I don't like to waste time, so if by the end of this short video you feel like this information I've shared with you can help increase traffic to your website and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information as you see fit. All I ask is that you give me a little bit of feedback at the end of the video if you don't mind. I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind your pictures, and even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. We want to make sure that our pictures are saved under keywords our customers are searching for on Google. This is very important. We also want to make sure we have around 1,500 words of content on the first page. I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to work in the appropriate amount of keywords and phrases we need in order to start ranking on these top pages of Google. That is content. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for example, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. Now, citations help us by being able to rank for what is called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords our consumers are searching for. Now, obviously, the businesses in these top 3 positions are going to have increased traffic to their site. How do we get here? We actually have a tool to see how we rank up compared to our competition, to see how many citations they have versus us. And the name of the game here is not only coming in and matching what our competition is doing in regards to citations, but we actually want to come in and get more citations than our competition, and we want to make sure that our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly so we can start outranking them and taking their traffic. That is citations. Now, thirdly, we have backlinks, and backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. Backlink is essentially when another website is linking back to our site, and what this does is it gives us relevance, power, and authority in Google's eyes so we can begin ranking organically on these pages. We have a tool to see how we are stacked up to our competition as well. All we do is plug in our information right here, and we can see we have 19 referring domains, 214 backlinks. We're being found for 49 keywords, and we're running 2 paid ads, and this is bringing us roughly 64 organic visitors a month. Now, if we take a look at one of our top competitors in the area, we can see they have 51 referring domains, 463 backlinks. They're being found for 413 keywords, bringing them roughly 1,700 organic visitors a month with 0 paid ads. Now, this is eventually where we want to be. Have the bulk of our traffic coming in organically and our ads supplement to what we are doing. And we can actually accomplish this just like the citation tools right here. Come in and match what our competition is doing in regards to their backlinks, and then go out and get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks to our site and begin to outrank them and take their traffic. Now, I have to ask you, if you had around 1,700 organic visitors coming to your site every month, what would that do for your business? So with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up what opportunities are available. And if you feel like me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to have a chat with you. I'll leave my info in the description, but I can be reached directly at 312-375-1110. I hope you have a wonderful day and speak to you soon. Thank you.